Do you want to learn about Islam? Whether you're Muslim or non-Muslim, it doesn't matter. Watch the talks of Nouman Ali Khan. In his Friday sermons, he uses only one verse of Qur'an and goes deep. Only after watching his lectures, I have started to understand the true beauty of Qur'an. Not only that, you get to learn life lessons, practical solutions to your problems in Quranic point of view. So these are 4 reasons why Muslims love Nouman Ali Khan for the sake of Allah. Number 1. Excellent manners. He is extraordinarily humble and gentle when asked questions. He often sits on the edge of the stage so that people are physically looking down instead of up at him. The second reason why people love him because he is logical and funny. He gives a great deal of thought to how to present the material in both educational and entertaining way. He brings a unique Western literary analysis of Qur'an that is based on authentic sources. When necessary to talk about community issues, he can be both direct but fair. His criticisms are usually correct and spot on. Number 3. Understandable. We need people like him to teach our youth about our religion. Unlike typical religious teachers, he knows a great deal about what is going on in the world around us. He knows what youth feels like and what challenges they are facing nowadays. He organizes his lectures while keeping in mind these things which make his lectures interesting and alive. Last but not the least, number 4, unique perspective. He also explains how Arabic language of the Quran cannot be translated word to word into English or any other modern language, thus highlighting the mind-blowing subtle accuracy of Quran. His lectures are not at all technical given unless he highlights the language of the Quran. If you ever feel no connection with the Quran and you are willing to have a connection, and wants to know how is Qur'an a solution to his or her problems, then do watch the lectures of Nouman Ali Khan. You won't regret it, I guarantee. Inshallah.